Okay, so here we have the Jones & Shipman 1300X that has been purchased by our customer. You guys came down to see the machine, and there was some issues. I wanted to go through this workhead, and we actually did a very nice job on it. We had to send the spindle out to be ground and re-chromed over some seal surfaces so that there would be a good seal for the seals. Got all new bearings, all new seals, all new gaskets, all new O-rings, all new fry rings. It's something I'm just not familiar with, but that's how the British build them. It's an extra protection for dirt and dust getting in there. And we gave it a nice coat of paint. Also, we put together a nice cooling system for it, paper band filter and all. The rest, you've seen the video of me running the machine in the past. A couple of things to explain. This is a live and a dead center. So once we get this machine running, we're going to go over that. So we're going to assume that you've got the emergency stop button turned off. Now, one thing about this is when you get the machine, it's going to have been several days that it's sat. So it will come up with an error at some point, number 12, which is going to be, so you want to come off of this and you want to start your cabinet. And sometimes when you hit that button, you have to hear this lubrication pump coming on over here, and you'll also hear the relay pop on over there that turns it on. And when that happens, your errors are going to clear. You might have a number 19 error which goes away on its own, or sometimes you have to start here. But you just have to be aware of that. So once your alarm went away, now you have a 30 here, which is the default RPM for the workhead when I start that. So that's 30 RPMs, and that's what they consider a live spindle. Now you're rotating a hydrostatic spindle that fits into a scraped pair of bushings. This is a very high precision headstock here. The bearings that we replaced were just the large bearings that are in the outer driver drum that you'll use when you're grinding between centers with a dead spindle or a dead center. The way this is right now in here is a faceplate. This is a faceplate that can be attached to a chuck, and it's held in there by a Morse taper number 5, taper about that long, and there's a drawbar in the back through the spindle that pulls it tight. So when you want to remove that, you loosen the spindle in the back here, the drawbar, and you give it a little tap, and this will come out. You will then see a linkage that's in there that attaches your live spindle to this outer drum, your driver drum. It'll be self-explanatory. I wrote some notes in here, and there are some extra little parts for that linkage there, extra linkages. You know, everything is cleaned up nice. This is going to swivel nice for you. We did the best we could on it, and I think it came out really nice. So that's pretty much what I wanted to go over. That and, you know, the startup of this. You got your grinding wheel, your coolant. I hear the pump coming on, and I already know that when you lift the float, the paper is going to move. Your axis is here. You know, you've got a push button here to go to different feed rates. So when you turn that, it comes in at its full speed. Same with the Z-axis. I like to go all the way down. I'm sorry, but I didn't learn how to run this machine. I don't know how to put a cycle in it. I don't even know how to make the headstock make its rapid approach. But we have the booklet, and you know, you're going to read through that, and I'm sure it's pretty simple. So there you go. Thank you very much.